very, very beautiful estate here.
What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Welcome to my wine school here on YouTube, where I share the passion and knowledge of wine. So I am a French winemaker, wine writer and founder of one of the most popular wine blogs in the world, humbly, that is called socialvignerons.com. So today we're looking at how to pronounce the name of one of the most famous red wine types in the world and one of the most famous Italian wine grapes, Sangiovese. Let's go.
Sangiovese, arguably the most famous of all Italian grapes, making the renowned Chianti wines in Tuscany. Sangiovese derives its name from the Latin sanguis Jovis, meaning the blood of Jupiter, the almighty Sangiovese. How not to pronounce Sangiovese? Well, maybe Sangiovese. No, rather Sangiovese.
And that was it guys, pretty easy, wasn't it? Now I hope you can pronounce once and for all Sangiovese properly and enjoy your Chiantis and your Brunello without destroying the name of the grape, the Sangiovese grape. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're looking at learning more about wine pronunciation, I'm French, but I speak fluent Italian and Spanish, and I speak a little bit of German. So check out my top 40 wine words video, the top 40 wine words that you should absolutely know about and know how to pronounce. This video will show up at the end of this very video. And if more generally you like learning more about your vino, well, make sure to have a look around my YouTube channel, where I'm sharing bit by bit everything that I know about wine as a winemaker. I've spent 20 years in the wine industry. So make sure to dislike this video if you didn't like it, but if you found it useful and if you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a quick thumb up before you go. And I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine, a wonderful world of vino. Cheers. Santé. Bye bye.